All right, second run with the brand new build, the MB30 build. Let's see how she does. I did change the track around. You'll see I put the rocks back. I was getting sick of the fake rocks that I built with my 3D printer. I love these bigger size Klingon tires by Endura, especially on this rig. You can see I have the under chassis lights, which are pretty cool. Oops. There we go. No problem there. Oh! That was my bad driving. See if you can get up the steep section, the steepest part of the course. I don't think it will, with the bigger tires and higher center of gravity, but we'll try it. Maybe if we sidestep it a little bit. Nope. Yeah, I didn't think so. But let's go into the tunnel. We'll go in the higher tunnel. And you can see the lights there. Gotta move over so I can see it come out of the tunnel. There it comes. Nice little rock setup. Handles it pretty well. All right. See how it does up here. Another steep section. Starting to teeter to the left. Hopefully that left front can fix it. I don't think it will. Nope. Alright, try it again. Try it from the bottom section. Alright. It's a good tester. Part of the course. Oh, just barely. Let's try it one more on the bridge and then we're done. Trying this. I think it should be able to make it. You never know with these. It's probably not gonna... Nope. Alright. That's alright. We'll do a different direction. We'll go through the gap here. And up the high side. I think it should be able to make it up this. No! There we go. Good save. There we go. Let me punch it, because this has the speedier motor in it. So we're gonna go down this. Yeah, and it saved itself. Punch it. Sometimes you just gotta punch things. Through the rocks again. Go over this little obstacle. I really like how this came out. Really like how this came out. go down this. We'll go into this cave. You can see the cave's all brightly lit by this truck. And we're gonna go up and over the rocks. And then we'll call it a day. I want to fix these rocks to make them a little bit more difficult on top of them. And the last obstacle we're going to do, we're going to come up over this little hill, which will, bad driving, which I will fix and make it a little less awkward looking this fall. I'm going to change the track up a little bit. We're going to go up this. And then we're going to park it. We're going to attempt to park it right next to the Yellowstone Park sign. And again, guys, in the comments, let me know how you like this build. And if you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. Until the next one, thanks for watching.